What's up, everybody? We're here again. Today's Sunday. We just got out of church a little bit ago. Awesome service. It was cool. We're going to be going fishing again today. I need some redemption, man, because these fish have just been kicking my butt this year. I'm telling you, it's been a tough start to 2017, but it's going to be good. So we're going to go out, and I actually got a special treat. My dad's going to be coming with me today, so we're going to go out. Hopefully we get out some fish, get some cool footage. It'd be nice just to get a shot at redemption on some of these fish. But like I said, it's been tough. So when it's tough, we're going to go to the pond. The pond almost always produces. If it doesn't produce, I'm going to be super sad. And if you've been sticking with me, thank you, because we have not had a lot of fish catches yet, but hopefully we get on them today. So we'll see you guys a little bit, hopefully at the pond. We'll get some footage. Take it easy. So you try this one. Give Kaylee this one. I'm gonna help her. You just cast this out. Dad can show you how, and you just reel it back. Start off throwing a drop shot. See what happens. See, this is why people get mad if they come here. Look, putting corn and beer cans on the floor, ruin it for everyone else. What? You caught one. She caught one real. Oh, nice. First cast.
Okay, you caught one. Here, hold the pole. You hold the pole because you caught it.
Well,
Here,
it goes through their jaws?
Hold on.
Whoa. Ah!
Baby.
you gotta release him.
No!
Just hold him, baby.
Hold him by his mouth and put him back in the water.
Here, see if we put it.
Hold him tight.
Hold him.
All right. Let this little guy go. I guess I gave you the right bait, huh? Haha. Nice. So yours just want to let it sink to the bottom and kind of just little twitches and hops. And if you feel kind of weight or pressure, you can set the hook. But it might be weeds too, so just if you feel weeds, just snap it out of it. You got one. You got one, real.
Yeah, we have a couple, baby.
Pick it up hard. Yeah, reel it fast. Reel it fast. Oh, you got a good one. Reel it in. Keep your rod high.
I caught another one.
Yeah.
You got on another fish. This fish choked it. You got one, girl.
Got two. I see it. It's right there.
I got this real weird color one I'm gonna try. I didn't bring all my good colors. We'll try this one, see what the heck happens.
Oh my God.
I was downsizing to cut it down to like 4. Let's see if they'll hit a 5-inch.
And I guess it goes. I forgot to zip up my thing. I like to. Because
Oh.
when I like you can get it. Because these are my favorite.
That one, baby.
Huh? Huh?
Another little guy. Put on a dink clinic.
That's a big one?
Might as well be. I tell you, these Nico rig hooks work so good. Guess they didn't mind that orange color. I don't think that there's crawfish in here either. I don't know what's up with this. Caught it early. Another little one.
I'll get it.
Man, I didn't even feel it. It's just like they're just on. Another little guy. I got her. I guess there's still a few here. Oh,
Catch him again.
guess there's still a few. Where's the big ones? I want a big one. Oh.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Well, there goes my Senko. Cast it right off. Well, that's cool. It's always cool when you take kids fishing and they get on fish. A grub is a great bait. You just cast it out, retrieve it. So she killed it. I think she's got like 2 fish and like 5 casts. Okay, I need one more here and then we're gonna move spots. It's almost time to get out of here. So hopefully we can get one, at least a big one, man. We need a big one. This wind's blowing. I think it's cooling off the water. There's no sun at all. So be grateful for anything at this point. There you go. That's where it was. Being a line watcher is so important this time of year because you don't even feel the bite sometimes, or sometimes you'll just see the line take off. I think almost all the bites today I've seen the line take off before I felt it. Oh, he's running right at me. Oh, this guy was running right at me. That was hilarious. Ooh, he's cold. That came right out. Maybe there's a bass. Mr. Bass, where are you at? Are you in this hole right here? I caught a bluegill. Actually, I snagged a bluegill. Come on, stop. Holy cow, he got snagged like really good. Like, how does that even happen? Like the little piranha of the ponds. Try to parallel the shoreline here. See if there's anything here. Try not to get hung up either.
You have corn? You have regular corn?
Oh, that was scary. Look at that huge mastiff. I used to have one. Awesome dogs until you think they're gonna attack you. I want nothing to do with that big dog messing around with me. It's always a good day when you don't die. Death by mastiff. Always a good day. Oh, seriously? You should have seen me. I was trying to stay so still. Like, I did not want to threaten that dog at all. Like in any way, shape, or form. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. Oh, caught a little bass and he flew off. But I guess what's amazing is you come here almost any time. I think you could come here when it's really cold, and you might not catch numbers, but you almost guaranteed to catch at least one. So to me, that makes this place real special, because it's a place you can always come and count on if you just want to get away and catch some fish, and that to me is real fun. So over here flipping this little spot right here. Some nice little bushes and stuff here. This is actually the pond where I learned how to catch bass, and to me, it always holds a special place in my heart. Have a blast, introduce someone to fishing over here. This is just one of those places. I hope I'm not breathing funny. Allergies just kicking my butt. It's been stuffy all day. Got a good one there. It's a decent one. That's a decent one right there, baby. Pretty. Nothing giant, but pretty fish.